So hello and welcome back to another video, and today I've got another unboxing video. So this one is from, again, United Bricks there. You can see I've got quite a lot from United Bricks quite lately. But yeah, this is some of the new stuff that they've released. That's all the Vietnam stuff. So yeah, very excited. So have a look. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. So let's just show you what I've got. So in here, I actually haven't got one of these in quite a while, but one of their business cards. So I really like these. And yeah. So I got the Vietnam soldier. I think it's just US soldier, with a OD green helmet. I ordered it in olive green, I think. Yeah, olive green. It was sand green, but I wanted olive green instead, and it also comes with a really nice Brickhomes M16. So yeah, printed head. Show the head actually. So printed head, as you can see. Also, this is one of their new products with 360 printing. So you've got printing on the torso there, as the belt, and also the legs. So really nice leg printing as well, a lot of detail. Also on the torso especially, got a grenade, smoke grenade on the back. Just says US, like, water canteen. So yeah, that's one of them. Get to the special item at the end. So I also ordered some of these. So I got a just basic brown M1 Garand and a black Thompson, as I think they're both new Brickhomes they've put onto the website. Also got this colour, I think it's a Spartan rifle, I'm not too sure. But yeah, just in white. So these are my freebies. Never seen this before. It's in tan. Also got this, like a green spy pistol. It's really nice as well. Really like that. And also I got another of these, a red, I think it's a combat brick vest. So that's really nice. But this is really what I wanted to order. It's the US Soldier in Tiger Stripe camo. I've got, this is my third kind of like real premium figure. I'll grab the other two. So these are the other two I've got. I didn't get these today, but these are the other two I've got. And yeah, really nice. They're about 12, I think 12.50, which is really nice. It comes with a weapon, helmet, and obviously the whole figure, which I think is a bit better value than TMC. I'm not saying TMC are not good, but I think they're a bit better value, especially for what you get. And it's also really nicely packaged. You also get really nice like backing card. But yeah, I still like United Bricks a lot more. So, but obviously everyone has their own opinion. But yeah, so this is the US Vietnam Soldier in Tiger Stripe. And again, it has really nicely 360-degree printing all the way around. Also has a rank, if you can see it on there. Not too sure what rank it is. Maybe sergeant or corporal. I'm not too sure. But on both arms there, as you can see. Leg printing, hasn't got it on the inside of the leg, but really you're not going to see it, so I'm not bothered. But yeah, really nicely printed. It's similar to this in a way, but just a lot more detail, a lot more printing, and obviously printing on the head as well. You see it. But yeah, I also ordered this in olive green because I did have it in sand green, but I didn't really want it in sand green colour. So yeah, this is my order basically. So if you did enjoy this video, then please leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.